Hey y'all, today we're getting down to business with the business. It's about time. I ordered from the Bronze Cafe. I got the business, and they have a whole bunch of selections of different things you could get, and my choices were the roasted sweet potatoes, roasted Brussels sprouts, and the roasted beets. And as side orders, which, you know, if I had a big plate or a big platter that I'm too lazy to get up and go get, I could have like spread it all out and dumped it and mixed it all together. But, you know, this is lemon and herb chickpeas, and this is warm roasted chicken. So I'm excited to get into this. I've already had the dressing was tossed. Whatever kind of dressing, vinaigrette, whatever kind of dressing I use. I'll have to look and see what it says. I don't know what that is. But they gave me 3 forks. So, I guess because I got these extra things, or like extra meals. What is in here? Oh, extra dressing. Well, maybe they didn't put dressing on it. Okay, now I know. Okay, just put that over there. All right, so it's not tossed. I'm gonna eat it. It's good, but it's not. Let me put the lid back on. Shake it. Shake it up. Shake it. It's the cars, I think. Oh, I love roasted vegetables. And these vegetables are, for me, I guess, reminiscent of fall or the autumn time. These flavors, the potato, sweet potato. Oh, and I got a pumpkin spice latte. Yeah. How bougie of me. My basic pumpkin spice latte. I'm not a huge pumpkin spice fan. Although I do have a pumpkin spice roll cake in my Smith's cart. Lord, that's a whole ass fly that came in. Dang. Whatever. Wasn't just a drain, but ooh, that's pretty good. That's an actual fly. Yum. All right. Ooh, potato. And the beets. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to mix this without making a dang mess. Oh, and I'm wearing the jewelry that Susan gave me on our Halloween video. I couldn't wear the ring because it kept falling off, and I couldn't fit the cuff over my ear. I mean, y'all wouldn't have been able to see that anyhow. Oh, I like how the packaging. Oh, there's greens at the bottom too. Very chopped up. Oh, very nice. I don't know if I'm going to get a perfect bite. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I wish I had my... I Still got to get a new camera. I'm still using my phone. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna get all of everything in there, but that's kale. It's chopped very well. Oh, that's delicious. I think that's a lemon vinaigrette. I taste the citrus and the olive oil. And I taste the olive oil that the vegetables were roasted in. This is very good. Oh. Chickpeas. Ooh. I love chickpeas. That's what I got it for. To go in my salad. You get away. That is a fly. I am offended. I am offended. I might have to get the grabby and get my fly swatters over there, hanging on the wall. Get the hell out of here. You just looked at me. Like, what you doing? What you doing, lady? This ain't for you. Go find my Zevo. I was almost hoping that the roasted vegetables would be warm. But with that kale, it's really good. Good chicken. They had so many amazing flavored drinks, smoothies, teas. I was like pumpkin and spice. Oh, these are so good. And the beets are delicious too. Y'all don't know how long I've been wanting these pineapple carrot cakes. They feel very dense. Now I'm gonna want to lick the plastic. It's just like pressing down on all the. Maybe they oiled the plastic. Who knows? So the frosting doesn't stick. See, I eventually listened. I had this one voice. I was like, it's not the business, but okay. I mentioned the business one time. I mentioned other things. I'm glad I finally did it though. This is really good. Mm-hmm. I want to like screenshot the list of items I could have chosen. And these was the ones that I wanted. I mean, the chicken in this could have been with how's that actual gnat, drain fly, whatever, fruit fly. They're all the same. Annoying as hell. Come on, cold weather. It's still like in the 80s here. It will eventually get colder. And they'll go away just like they did last year. I got some chickpeas in that bite. Ooh. Okay, now that I've had the Bronze Cafe, the food quality is very good. It's very delicious and very fresh. So I might want to try some of their sandwiches. And they have breakfast options. They have lots of vegan options too. That's really yummy. It's like I can feel the health flowing through me. That sweet potato. It adds a sweetness. And it's not very salty. There's not a lot of salt. And the dressing wasn't very heavy. I was just checking the time. I've got to make this one a short one, you guys. I mean, it's not too short, but Oh my God. This is so good. I'm definitely going to be ordering from the Bronze Cafe more often. Maybe not for the mukbangs, but I'm glad I got to try it for you guys. A little bit more chicken on here. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me. Oh. Oh. So good. All right, it's time for my dessert. I'm gonna eat more of this for my dinner and save one of those. So good. Okay. Now this is something that I was wanting this way more than I wanted the salad, but I'm thankful for the salad. The salad was delicious and full of healthy ingredients. Okay. Yep, nothing stuck. Oh, it's got coconut on it too. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's got coconut flakes. I'm wondering if that's coconut flour or almond flour. It's a little sus. Not bad, but it doesn't have a very cakey texture. Just like cake. Okay. It's more like a cookie cake than a like bready cake, I guess. I don't know. It's hard to describe, but it's full of carrots and I'm guessing pineapple's in there. Mmm. Oh, good. Plenty of spice. It's just, I wasn't expecting that texture. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Definitely not complaining. I'm just trying to figure it out. Mm. 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 It's so thick. So thick. Mm. These were buy one get one free. And they also had a chai spice cookie that was buy one get one free. I almost got that. It was like 2 for $5. It would have been $10 each, or $10 for both. Mm. 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 Wow. Mm. Mm. Oh. Mm. Oh boy. Mm. That dessert right there, that one piece, that one hunk of cake, as thick and rich as that was enough for 3 people. Easy. Hella good. I never get pumpkin spice, but so the Bronze Cafe, you guys, it was really delicious, really delicious. And it was definitely enough food. This salad would have been enough for 3 people, especially with the additions. So anyway, you guys, I've got to get going. I've got things happening today. Yay, things happening. We love things happening. I've just got company coming, that's all. No biggie. But anyway, thank you guys for spending time with me today. I love you all very much, and I will see you next time. Bye now.